Okay, I've had a question that I thought I would cover that could help others. Can I convert to text on a PDF, a third-party PDF? So they have a case note template. So that's obviously a note paper for cases that they want to convert to text. So write and then have it convert to typing. So here's my question to you. If you are asking the same question, here's my question for you. Is your template this here? So let me just get rid of that. And let me highlight this. Is your case note template a PNG or is it a PDF? Now we know I'm creating a PNG file because I'm in a native notebook. And again, we know that by the icon and by the word notebook settings. All right. But if I go into, say, my capture document, which is, just give it a second. Oh, this is the blank page that I created. Just one moment. I was just demonstrating. Let me just highlight that and delete it. I just like to keep everything clean, otherwise it gets quite confusing. Let me go in here. So this is a capture document to help you capture all your tasks. So if I go in here, what you can see is the icon looks different and it will tell you it's a PDF. So my question to you is the template, the case note template that you've popped on here, so I'm trying to get the document drawer, is it a PNG? So did you create a native notebook like this, or is it a PDF? Because that will answer your question. So can I convert to text on a PDF? Okay, so it's no, but. Can I convert to text on a PNG? That's a yes. All right, what is the no but? What's the no but? Let us go to the next page. So I'm going to add a page. We're going to go PDF. There's a no and there's a but. All right, so a PDF page like this, a PDF page like in the capture document, the capture notebook, there is no T here. So a straight PDF equals no convert to text, also equals no typing, right? No T. See, there's no, sorry. I'm busy watching what I'm doing. I'm not watching that it's flicked between the two. So there's no typing, T for typing. But document drawer, back to our native notebook. But in here, if you insert a blank, and I'm going to put PNG, because I think it's easier I explain to you the concept, you can work more out for yourself. Insert a blank PNG page, then yes, can you convert to text? So I will show you. So back document drawer, back in our PDF. So this is a PDF. You can see that there's no T for typing. If I now insert a blank page, it's changed its name to new note page. Now you can see the T turns up, and if you go in here, you can convert to text. We are inside of a PDF. If I go back a page, this is the PDF, and you can see the icon is like that. When I go to the blank page, it's changed its icon to the notebook settings just for that page. And if I go to the grid view, you can see that. Just give me a second. So up here, let's just pull it down a bit. You can see that was the page I was on. PDF page, you can see that because see all the indexing down the side and across the top, that's the hyperlink document. But this is the page that I just added, the blank page. You can see that. and it's the only one in there. I can add more. You can add as many as you want. So if I go back on there, now I've got typing, and now I've got the ability to convert to text. All right, so that, let us go back just to finish off. I like to summarize at the end with that one. So the answer, can I convert to text on a PDF? The answer is no, unless you insert a blank page, then yes, you can type yes, and you can also convert your writing to text. Awesome. Hope that's helpful. I'll see you in the next one.